You're watching Master Designs. Stay in touch for more episodes on the way. Tonight we're going to draw Lord Liquior from Dragon Ball Super. Lord Liquor, which I shouldn't have showed him by that name, even though his name is Lord Liquior, is one of the gods of destruction. And, well, he hails from Universe 8. And of course, I don't know how I'm going to explain this, but I'm starting to realize that this one is sort of one of my favorites. Even though after that fight against Murno, you know, the fallen angel from Universe 13. I feel like Goku should go up against him next. I like the way he's designed. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
By the way, his body design is based on the legendary yokai known as QB. And I'm not talking about the one from Yokai Watch. I meant the one in history. It seems rather interesting to have this guy as a god of destruction. He has an angel, a guardian named Lord Korn, which is a reminder that I have to draw him one of these days. Let me just plug this in. There we go. There's his fist. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
I appreciate that. Thank you very much. Lord Liquior. is Lord Liqueur's tail. And finished! There we go. That's how you draw Lord Liqueur from Super Dragon Ball Heroes and Dragon Ball Super. To find out more on how to draw more Gods of Destruction like this, check out the Dragon Ball playlist in the comments below. And be sure to leave a comment on what character you want me to draw next. That's all for now. Please like, remark, and subscribe to my channel, and let me know which character you want me to draw next in the comments below. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night!